Hey there, YouTube and world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. I've got an unboxing to do here, so let's unbox yet another Amazon Prime delivery right at your doorstep. The wonders of modern technology. Click on the mouse and the item appears in front of your door. Alright, so let's open this up. This is it. That's all it is in this huge box. So, yep, another true wireless earbuds. Alright, so in case you're wondering why on the computer channel there's so many unboxing going on with earbuds, well, earbuds are like hit and miss. You hit some and you miss some. For me, it has been misses all the while. All miss. Because I haven't been able to get a decent earbud at a decent price range yet. And no, this was not sent to me for free. I bought it with money, with my own money. Yes, I do have some money. And no, I don't always do free unboxing. Sometimes I do my own purchase unboxing. So this is one of them. So why did I spend my money on this? My hard-earned money, which is not from YouTube, of course. So my hard-earned money from other sources other than YouTube. Well, because this earbud has a tremendously awesome review. A very, very awesome review on Amazon and eBay, both. So as I'm unboxing, I can feel that this thing is pretty premium for its price. So what was the price? Well, I'll let you guys guess it. Look at this. Does it look premium or what? Yes, it does look premium. So this is the charging case. And this is my very first... It's already charging. My very first... I think I need to move this. This is my very first stereo earbud. I've been trying to order earbuds, stereo earbuds, for a while now. But seems like I'm not getting anywhere. No luck when it comes to the... Okay, this was still on, so how come this was still charging? Okay, so yeah. But this one seems to be promising. Then again, I'll have to use it for a while and hope and pray that I don't lose this one, because they're so small. These were the earbuds that I unboxed, but these are all mono. I got this one. This is pretty decent, man. This is pretty good. I was given this one for free. Yep. I think I spent like $13 on this one. I got this one for free. So I'll say it's about $6.5 each. Not bad. So guess away and let me know what you think this earbud costs. And of course, it's gonna be cheap. Otherwise, why would you see it on the computer channel, right? Or affordable, let's call it affordable. You only see affordable stuffs on the computer channel. So this was pretty affordable. And the sound quality, well, I'll have to do some practical application on the earbuds. And I want to see how it works. Of course, these are Bluetooth, so you'll have to have Bluetooth on your cell phone all the time in order to use them. And you need to remember that Bluetooth also drains your cell phone battery power quite drastically and dramatically. Yep. So I like the box. It's pretty premium. Will it stick out in my pant pocket or my jeans pocket? Yes, it will. But I don't care, man. It was pretty cheap. It was affordable. So, and it looks cool. I mean, if you put this in your ear, it'll look more premium than the Apple earbuds, which are the in things nowadays. So, and it's black. I like black things. So this is pretty cool. All right. Yep. All right. Stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.